Tired of scrolling through endless PDFs trying to figure out how to pay your Wayfair credit card? Making a payment on your Wayfair credit card is crucial for maintaining good credit and avoiding late fees. Luckily, Wayfair offers a variety of convenient payment methods. First, let's look at how to pay online. Head over to Wayfair.com and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section, then select Wayfair Credit Card from the drop-down menu. On your Wayfair credit card account page, you'll see your current balance and a prominent Make a Payment button. Click on this button to proceed. Now, enter your payment details. You can choose to pay the statement balance, the minimum payment due, or a custom amount. Select your preferred payment date and your payment method, whether it's a bank account or a debit card. If you prefer to pay by mail, locate the payment address on your monthly statement. Make sure to include your account number on your check or money order and mail it well in advance of your due date to avoid late fees. For ultimate convenience, consider setting up automatic withdrawals. This allows your payment to be deducted automatically from your bank account each month, ensuring you never miss a due date. You can usually set this up within your online Wayfair credit card account portal. By utilizing these simple payment methods, you can easily manage your Wayfair credit card, keep your credit score healthy, and avoid any unnecessary late fees. Stay on top of your credit management and enjoy your Wayfair purchases.